যথাযথ প্রক্রিয়া অনুসরণ করেই বাংলাদেশে পুশ ইন করা হচ্ছে বলে দাবি করেছেন বিএসএফ মহাপরিচালক দলজিৎ সিং চৌধুরী। তিনি বলেন, শুধু যারা অবৈধ অনুপ্রবেশকারী তাদেরই নিয়ম মেনে পুশ ইন করা হচ্ছে। এখন পর্যন্ত 550 জনকে বিজিবির হাতে তুলে দেওয়া হয়েছে। এ সংক্রান্ত 2400 কেস যাচাই প্রক্রিয়া চলছে। বাংলাদেশ হাই কমিশন সহযোগিতা করছে। আর কি বললেন তিনি, শুনে নিন।
The criminals respond with abuses, strong belting, attacks on BSF personnel, using sharp-edged lethal weapons in complete disregard of warnings by the BSF troops. And this mostly happens in the dead of the night. It is a matter of fact that in such attacks, 35 BSF personnel were grievously injured in the first 6 months of this year alone. Repeated and blatant violation of the international boundary, coupled with attacks on the BSF troops on duty inside the Indian territory, is a matter of extreme concern for us and not at all acceptable. BSF personnel fires only and only as a last resort in the face of imminent threat to his life in self-defense, irrespective of the nationality. Such unfortunate occurrences can be avoided if proper fence is put up in place on the border from both the sides. This will stall translations in each other's areas and minimize the mishaps on the border. Border fencing does not have any defense potential and is a physical deterrent to curb trans-border crimes, which is beneficial to both the nations. The government of India, to stop such kind of mishaps happening on the border, has spent thousands of crores of rupees in erecting fences, floodlighting
between two nations. So what BGP and BSF are doing to improve that? Candidly speaking, we were limited to the agenda points, mostly in the bordering areas, and the points received from different ministries, which were forwarded to BGP. And BSF also received the points from their different counterparts. However, whether agenda points are related to the border or not, or to the river sharing, water sharing, or no border killing, or whether the fencing should be there or not at the border, all these eventually, if resolved on the ground, they will immensely contribute in improving the relationship between two countries. So our focus is on these elements, these agenda points, and we are trying to work things out, have a better and secure border for both the sides, so that eventually no tension at the border arises. And as you say, we expect if we can do that on the ground, that will contribute to the associated other features. Thank you.
Sir, could you take another question from the last page?
Thank you very much. No, long time because of our last part of the meeting was extended. একটু লম্বা হয়েছিল, দীর্ঘায়িত হয়েছিল, আপনাদের অনেক দীর্ঘ সময় অপেক্ষা করতে হয়েছে। সেজন্য আপনাদের সবাইকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
ঢাকা থেকে হাবিবুর রহমানের রিপোর্ট, এএনএম নিউজ।
আরও খবরের আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করুন নোটিফিকেশনস পেতে।